Have you ever wondered if one small decision could change everything? Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling more energized and focused. Sounds great, right? What if I told you that decision could be as simple as going to bed at 10 p.m.? Many people unknowingly make a crucial mistake each night. This one habit silently steals our energy and affects our health. And most don't even realize it's happening. Tonight, let's explore what your body experiences when the clock strikes 10 p.m. We'll discuss what changes after one night, 1 week, and 1 month. Plus, we'll uncover why your phone is a dangerous distraction after sunset. Picture this. It's 10 p.m., the world is quiet, and you're ready for rest. Your room is dark, and outside, life slows down. But inside your body, an incredible transformation begins. Deep within your brain is your circadian rhythm, the body's personal timekeeper. It regulates your wakefulness, sleepiness, and even hormone changes. It's vital for recovery and memory processing. As night descends, your brain ramps up melatonin production. This sleep hormone signals your body that it's time to unwind. Gradually, your heart slows, breathing deepens, and muscles relax. Your body prepares for powerful recovery. Now, let's talk about sleep. Many think it's just lying still, but there's much more. While you sleep, your brain organizes daily events, strengthening memories and deleting unnecessary information. Think of it as your brain cleaning up files overnight. Then we enter deep sleep, where real magic happens. Your body releases growth hormone. This hormone is essential for repairing tissues, maintaining bones, and restoring energy. But there's more to this process. While you sleep, your immune system activates. Immune cells work throughout your body, protecting and repairing. They remove damaged cells and combat threats before they escalate. Your body safeguards your health while you rest. Even your heart gets a break. Blood vessels relax, stress hormones reduce, and your nervous system calms. Everything recovers from the day's stresses effortlessly. No equipment or tough workouts needed. Just quality sleep. Now, imagine this every night. After 7 days, you wake up before your alarm, feeling refreshed. Your mind feels sharp. Caffeine isn't a necessity. This is your brain finally restored. In just a week, sleep creates stronger neural connections. Focus sharpens, decisions become quicker, and moods improve. Annoying situations feel less overwhelming. Quality sleep revitalizes more than your body, it balances your emotions. What about after 30 days? Your body trusts the routine. Falling asleep becomes easier, and waking up no longer feels painful. Your internal clock stabilizes. Energy levels stay consistent throughout the day. Physical activity benefits, too. Recovery improves from exercise, and studying becomes more effective. Even your skin can start showing signs of health. Each night, small damages from daily life are repaired. Now, let's discuss a harmful habit many share. Millions are in bed, staring at glowing screens, drawn to one more video, one more message. Time slips away. A 5-minute scroll quickly becomes an hour. The blue light from your phone disrupts melatonin production. Your brain thinks it's daytime instead of preparing for sleep. Alertness prevails, making it harder to drift off. Eventually, sleep becomes less restorative. You wake up tired, and the cycle continues. Exhaustion leads to caffeine dependency. Late nights become routine, and the body becomes accustomed to poor sleep. But breaking this cycle doesn't require costly solutions. Start simple. Turn off your phone 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Dim the lights and keep your bedroom cool. Aim for consistent bedtimes. Your body craves this routine. When you respect its natural rhythm, it rewards you. You'll feel more energized, focused, and calm. So tonight, you have a choice. Continue scrolling, or allow your body the recovery it craves. The decision is quick, but the benefits could transform your life. I challenge you to try this for 7 days. Go to bed around 10 p.m. Leave behind excuses. Commit to this change, and watch how you feel. If you find this information valuable, subscribe to Curiosity X for more insights. We delve into fascinating questions and offer surprising answers. Because curiosity is about discovering the better version of yourself. Until next time, sleep well and stay curious.